இப்போ அப்படியே என்னடு
வா
அப்படியே திருப்பி. So, Vanakkam Vandanam Suswagatam, my lovely people. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine, and I welcome you all back to one another episode of Vicious Take Vibes. Yes, you guys might be thinking, where am I? Standing in the midst of all these mist and mountains and everything. So I am at the Harihara Betta, which is also called as Kaurava Kunda. There's one more hill there called as Pandava Kunda that side. So we are in the Kaurava Kunda. So we came here yesterday evening around 4:30. We reached here. So first you guys go and see how we reached here and how we spent our night yesterday, and then I'll meet you guys. Okay. We have done around 25 kilometers from Electronic City. We are at Nepal right now, and we still have around 50 kilometers to go, 1 hour actually. So yes, it's already 3 o'clock and we are about to leave now. And these are the 4 who are going to be in this video. You have to get used to these 4 because we're going to do a lot of videos in future. January end, I told you the big trip, right? These 4 are going to be in that. And this is a debutant in my vlog. His name is Prem and he's a great choreographer and dancer. Yes, so I'll go there and directly meet you guys. So we have reached the base camp finally, and we have taken up all our sleeping bags and everything, and we are following one leader. He's actually moving us towards, he'll be guiding us to the top. So I'm really excited to go here. This place is actually called as Chikbalapur. This is like on the same route of Nandi Hills. So if you take a left and go straight, it is Nandi Hills. Instead of taking right, if you just keep coming forward for around 20 kilometers, you'll reach this Chikbalapur location. And yes, we have started trekking right now. You can see there, everyone is busy trekking, and I'm also having my sleeping bags, everything tucked in. So I'll go a little bit forward and move. I've also fixed my my chest mount finally. First time I'm getting to use my chest mount. So when you start climbing up, the first thing you come up is this Shiva temple. That is where you will take a stop and you'll note 5-10 minutes of break, and it is time for you guys to go and explore the Shiva temple and all. And they say that this is a very ancient temple, and one time in a year a big utsav also happens here. So everyone around this villages, everyone will come together and keep that jatra and all. And if you see, mostly everywhere it is quarries only. There are a lot of quarries on the way, and those water are from the water slides that happen during rain from the hill. And there is one more way, that is that side, which is like full inclination. So since we are like, after a long time we are coming trekking, they are taking us to this steps route. So this has a little bit of steps, but it is really inclined, and your hamstring starts paining by the time you start up. So yeah, we just halfway, and we have still more to go. And we have 2 companions also with us. They are also always there in every trek the guy comes up with. So yeah, so everyone are just standing there and listening to what all he's telling, all the things around, and it's very, very peaceful. So I'm feeling really good. Yeah, I hope that peak is even more beautiful than this. just reached the top of the hilltop, and it is really beautiful here. The view is absolutely amazing. While we reached the top, it was sunset, so we were busy taking photos and videos, and also that is the reason I couldn't vlog. So as soon as you come up, they'll give you a paper vodka juicer drink also. Keep having the drink and enjoying the view. Right now there's too much of mist everywhere, you can see that. So only photo sessions are going on. Maybe the sunrise will take a beautiful time lapse. So I'll see what are we gonna do next, and I'll keep updating you guys. By this time, enjoy the view and the time lapse. Hi, so I just finished having dinner. The time is around 8:15, and it is very chilly and cold weather here. So for dinner they gave us vegetable rice, which they give us in the base camp only. So when you start your trek only, that you have to carry it all towards here. And here they give you a pepper barbecue and some curry. They had a beautiful campfire with music and all, so it keeps us really warm, but still it's very cold over here. And I think it's a pretty nice thing. This is the tent actually we are gonna stay in. It's a 2-people tent. So if you come in a group, you'll be split into two for sleeping. So yeah, overall it's really good. And yeah, I'll meet you guys maybe if something interesting comes up, or I'd like to see you in the morning. Okay. So expecting the same sunrise in the morning, we just woke up, and we woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning, but it was still dark. So we thought we'll sleep for 15 more minutes, then it will become bright and we'll see the nice sunrise and all. But unfortunately it is covered completely with mist, and there's not even a single trace of sun here. So there is last time when they came for the trek, it was really beautiful. So I just took one clipping from his phone, the organizer's phone. You guys can see that after this talking video. So actually we found this from an Instagram website. They are called as weekend trekkers. This is actually a single day trek. So you start in the evening, you come and stay here in the night, enjoy the nice camp stay and tent stay, enjoy this beautiful view. You wait till sunrise, have your breakfast and leave. And yeah, they charge you around 1,400 for this package, and I think it is really good because you won't get this view if you are in Bangalore. If you are getting up, maybe this mist will be there, but not this view. So I think this is really worth the go, and you have to come and try the night stay at the tent, even though it is annoying for some reasons, but still you have to experience it. So do come and experience that. Now I'm planning to put some time lapse here, so just you guys go and see that time lapse and also that clipping from last time, and then I'll meet you guys. Okay.
After lockdown, it's been a wonderful experience. It's not so length, so short. It's a moderate, and everyone should try it out. So I had a great, amazing experience with my friends and all the troop, and amazing food it was, and weather was so good. So all of you have to try it out. Go ahead.
So that was our whole experience of how our trek went. I hope you guys really liked it. So if you guys are new to my channel, please hit on subscribe button, because you're gonna get some awesome videos in the January end and February and so on. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, also follow me on Instagram here. And a very happy new year for everyone. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really liked it. Until next time, it's Vishal signing off. Live your dreams, love your life. Bye bye. Take care.